This is 13 News First Alert Weather.
A large winter storm is currently bearing across much of the country from our Prairie Band Casino Resort live storm tracker. And as we zoom in on northeastern Kansas, a heavy band is currently over areas like Topeka and Lawrence right now along the I-70 corridor. 1 degree right now in Topeka, 1 degree in Emporia, 0 in Manhattan, -2 out in Concordia right now. And we have snow throughout the area as well from around the Nebraska-Kansas border to around the I-35 corridor. And currently winter storm warnings are in place until around tomorrow at 6 p.m. We do have a winter weather advisory for the Kansas-Nebraska border areas in our viewing area until around the same time. And we have a cold weather advisory for the whole area until Monday at around lunchtime, so 12 p.m. Currently a heavier band coming down in downtown Topeka, currently from our Midland exterior sky cam. As you can see the snow out there, some plows out there pushing the snow off the streets as well. Same story from downtown Emporia, heavier snow coming down right there right now. And from Manhattan, you can currently see just how strong the snow is coming down, as the visibility is pretty poor right now on the Kansas State campus. And Concordia right now, the same story as well, as visibility is poor and there is a lot of snow out on the ground. Dew points are currently in the single-digit negatives, so it does feel dry. You'll want to grab that chapstick. Overall relative humidity values are in the 70th and 80th percentile, so there is enough humidity to really start that snow-making process, and that's why we're seeing some of those heavier bands. Wind chills overall are in the double-digit negatives, -16 in Topeka, -17 in Emporia, -17 in Manhattan, -18 in Concordia. So it feels very, very chilly out there right now overall. You'll want to grab that jacket and a couple layers as well, because it's just very dangerously chilly right now in northeastern Kansas. Current wind speeds are currently between around 5 and around 15 miles per hour, so it is kicking up a little bit of that snow, and our wind gusts are between 10 and around 20 miles per hour overall. Those wind gusts will die down as we go into the afternoon overall before picking back up going into Monday evening, so that's something to watch out for the remaining snow on the ground. 24-hour wind chill overall, we will be in the double-digit negatives as we go throughout the next couple hours, then in the single-digit negatives going throughout the rest of the 24-hour period. Overall, our temperatures will be in the single digits throughout the next 24 hours as well. Right now around 1 degree. 7 for your high today in Topeka, 7 in Emporia, 8 in Manhattan, 6 in Concordia, and expect snowy conditions. Snowy conditions persistent to tonight. -1 for your low in Topeka tonight, 2 in Emporia, 1 in Manhattan, -4 in Concordia with that snow once again. Tomorrow we will be in the teens and 20s overall with mostly cloudy skies. Monday we will be in the teens and 20s with sunny skies and a southwestern flow pushing warmer air into the area. Overall, we will continue to have bands of snow throughout the day, maybe a small break in the afternoon around 3, and then we will see that second wave come through, potentially with less snow for most of the northern areas, but a little bit more snow for the southern areas. And it will be cold regardless, with wind chills in the negatives at times and our temperatures in the single digits overall throughout tomorrow, and then we will start to warm up just a little bit on Monday. Overall possible snowfall totals 4 to 8 inches along this corridor between the I-70 corridor and around I-35, and then north of that around Marysville, Seneca, and Concordia around 2 to 4 inches, and then south of Burlington between around 8 to 10 inches. Overall, though, we have already seen around 4 inches around Topeka and areas around Chapman, Abilene, and Manhattan, so that's something to look out for. And our winter storm severity index, minor overall. 8-day forecast overall, we have the winter storm in those first alert weather days, with snow and wind chill being the main factor for issuing those.